morning class 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking good care of yourself and washing your hands again and again. Are you washing your hands? Very good. Okay class 2, we will do something very interesting today. I will not ask you to open your books today and open this page or that page and start doing your work. No. We are going to do something really interesting today. But before doing that, we have to understand this. What we are going to do today is creative writing. What we are going to do today is creative writing. Do you all know what is creative writing? Do you all think that you all are so creative? For example, you are good in drawings, you are good in paintings, or you are good in writing something. Ever your teacher said that, wow, such a nice drawing, you are so creative. Have you ever listened this thing? I know my students are so creative and you can all do so well. Creativity could be in any form. It could be in the form of writing as well, like we are going to do today. What we do in creative writing, we express. मीन्स जो हमारी फीलिंग्स होती हैं, हमारे जो थॉट्स होते हैं या हमारे कोई ड्रीम्स होते हैं, हमारे लाइक्स होते हैं, डिसलाइक्स होते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, हम उनको एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, शो करते हैं. कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मेरे माइंड में एक इमेजिनरी कैरेक्टर है. आई एम हैविंग एन इमेजिनरी कैरेक्टर इन माई माइंड. मतलब मैं उसको देख नहीं रही, वो मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन दैट कैरेक्टर इज़ इन माई माइंड. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आई हैव टू डू क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, and for example I am doing a creative writing on my imagination or on that imaginary character I am having in my mind. So I'll start writing. For example, that character I am having in my mind is this much tall or short or fat or slim, having black hairs, golden hairs, could be anything. Or I can tell about the complexion, right? And I can tell how the eyes look, the nose is red, and the lips are white. This is my imaginary character, na? So I will start writing about it. ठीक है? So इसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं? अब इस creative writing में मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने अपनी imagination को write down किया. ठीक है? एंड नेक्स्ट, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारे पास पिक्चर्स होती हैं और हमें कहा जाता है दैट वी हैव टू डू क्रिएटिव राइटिंग एंड वी हैव टू राइट अ स्टोरी. वी हैव टू राइट अ स्टोरी. तो अब हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास ऐसे समझो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल वी आर हैविंग 4 पिक्चर्स. ठीक है, एक पिक्चर है हमारे पास एंड उसमें हमारे पास एक गर्ल है, एक बॉय है. देयर इज़ अ गर्ल एंड देयर इज़ अ बॉय एंड दे आर इन अ पार्क. इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर वी कैन सी दैट दे आर प्लेइंग. इन द वेरी नेक्स्ट पिक्चर that thing came in our mind that all of a sudden it started raining. And in the next picture it's like they are running or they are rushing towards their home. So automatically our minds start working. We are creative, na? So we will start writing a story by looking at those pictures. हमारे पास क्या होगा कि हम बता रहे होंगे, we will be explaining that there were a boy and a girl who was playing in a playground. They both were friends or they were siblings, whatever came in your mind, na? Okay, and then you tell how they were playing, whether they were playing football or they were playing with their frisbee or they were playing with their bat and ball. you will tell this thing, okay? And next thing, you can tell that they were having a fight, or they don't want to play together, or they want their turn to come first. Anything which came in your mind, you are writing it down. Then it was raining. Then you tell that all of a sudden weather changes and it starts raining, and they got worried and they started rushing towards their home, or moving towards their home, or toward the safest place. Okay, this is how we write down the things. This is our creative writing. And now, for example, I ask you to write something, whether you will be able to write. For example, everyone is having likes and dislikes. Like, for example, I don't like fish, means seafood. I don't like. So I can tell now, I can write it down why I don't like fish. And I have to write few points about it. And how can I start writing? Fish. You are having fish in your mind, and then you are thinking about it. Like, because I don't like fish, so ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो मुझे उसके बारे में नहीं पसंद? And I have to write it down. I don't like the smell of fish. So I start writing it down, that I don't like the smell of fish. Or the texture fish is having so many scales on the skin. I don't like it. So I'm like, no, I don't like the texture of the fish as well. And then fish is having so many bones in it, and it's so hard to eat it, and I'm very lazy to take out those bones. This is the thing. Okay, my students, so now I have tell you about the food which I don't like. I don't like fish, and why I don't like it, I have told you. There were many reasons. Now I want my students to tell me about the food they don't like. Okay, I really want to know, and why you don't like, you have to write it. This is the creative writing. So your task is to write 8 lines on food you don't like. 8 lines on food I don't like. Okay, the topic is the food I don't like. Okay, so you have to write 8 lines on this topic. You all can write, you all can express your feelings about food as well, your likes and dislikes. Okay, so this is for all today. Till then, take care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Country School Pakistan, and hit the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.